on Friday, everyone. See you tomorrow in Rio Hotel. Another day in the city. Hi! Ate Love! No, just say hi, everyone. May na-save dito sa Kim Adventure.
Sayang! Sasali namin!
Roller coaster, guys. Ayaw nyo. Pero sarado. So sad. Let's say hi to Raver Girl. Joanne. Hey, just finished watching The Beatles. My God, super nice.
Did you like it or did you follow?
Magandang gabi, everybody.
Taga Paris ka ba? Kasi I fell for you.